Contrary to recent denials by the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe (RBZ), President Emmerson Mnangagwa reportedly ordered the sale of the People's-Owned Savings Bank (POSB) to a private investor. Sanabuna Mashukobranyo questions, our documents expose Mnangagwa's hand in potential corrupt sale of POSB. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. The sale has been shrouded in controversy, with reports suggesting that Mnangagwa had picked Hebrew Investment Group as the investment partner without a public bidding process. Mnangagwa, according to the directive, believes that the transaction is part of a broader initiative to support Zimbabwe's socio-economic and sustainable development. In quotes, I ordered a 3-pronged policy to support my initiative for a prosperous upper middle-income society by 2030. Set up a partnership with a private investor to capitalize, manage, and operationalize the POSB, but in place a special team to enable, amongst other things, the socio-economic and sustainable development initiative for Zimbabwe. Its aim being to process payments of arrears and future improved salaries of civil servants, members of the parliament, armed forces, as well as all veterans of unemployment, job creation, healthcare coverage, grants and tuition. Timely investigate reports, progress, and recommend appropriate legal actions for accountability. Read part of the directive. The sale has been shrouded in controversy, with reports suggesting that Mnangagwa had picked Hebrew Investment Group as the investment partner without a public bidding process. The RBZ had previously denied the reports of the sale, stating that it had not received any application or directive regarding the sale of POSB, but the presidential directive appears to contradict this claim. In quotes, the Reserve Bank categorically states that these claims are false and has not received any application from any investor for the purchase of POSB. Neither has it received by correspondence from any Zimbabwean government authority, including His Excellency the President. Lomashukana kudanyonga panapa achitogona kuona RBZ. Tuze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechituko ichi. Pina comment section medu zamafunguro enyu, musana subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.